We get the box from Nene. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. What are you doing?
Okay, guys, go ahead and open it.
Stop. We can use this.
Amber, that's for you.
Mine. Oh. Mommy, that mine?
What?
Is that mine? No.
Yes. What? Oh, no. Josiah, that's for everyone. What is it? Amber, that's for Josiah and Malachi. That's Malachi's. No, that's Malachi's.
That's yours and
Look, Malachi. It's right there.
It's right there. Look, that's mine.
No, that's for everyone. Look what's in here besides the lion book. What's under? Yes. What's under the lion book? Look. Ooh, the story of Moses.
Whoa.
And look, guys.
Mommy.
Some videos. Look.
Oh. Mommy. Nice.
Oops.
Nice. Mom.
What?
I can't open this. How small was What is yours? Look at this. That's your laptop.
What else is in there?
Hey, that's your laptop, buddy. This is your book. Mommy, make it that's your laptop. Look at you. Huh? Mommy, can't open this?
Yes.
My socks. Nice. My socks. Oh, mine. My turtle. There's nothing in it.
Ooh, what's that, Amber?
That's
For what?
mine. We got the pencil, Grandma. Yeah.
Yay.
And these are my socks. My clips. We got the same like. That's my ribbon.
Hi. What?
That.
Come here, Fufu. Well,
Look at
what happened?
What'd you get?
Mom.
It's the story of Moses. What is this?
My pencil. And
It's a pen.
It's a pen.
With who on it?
And the suck again.
What?
Me.
No, it's McQueen.
Oh, it's my pen. And I got right here.
The cold compress.
When you got right here, the pencil again.
You
It's
got the
like
zoo block.
this on me too.
What is this? That's your part. You already had that.
Alright, well, thank you guys. Thank you, Nene and Peepop.
Nice.
They are definitely enjoying. Just say bye-bye.
Ow.
Ha!